Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this session we are going to see how can we set up Maven in macOS, how can we download Maven, how can we install it, and how can we set the environment variable. And last, we will verify that the Maven setup has been done properly or not. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what is Maven? Maven is basically an open source build tool that is developed by the Apache group. Now, Maven is used to build, to publish, to deploy several projects at once for the better project management. We'll have a separate session for understanding Maven, like how can we use Maven in our test automation projects. Okay, so before we jump onto the installation part of the Maven, okay, we have to make sure one thing that before the Maven setup, we have to set up Java JDK in our machine first. Okay, so now to verify whether the Java JDK setup has been done or not, you should go to the terminal. Okay, let me just clear it. There is a command called java space hyphen version. Okay, now this command is going to tell you like which version of Java has been installed in your machine and the environment variable has been set. You see the version number 15.0.2. In my case, this version is this version of Java has been set up. Okay, now how can we download Maven? So you just go to any of the browser, like maybe Chrome, Edge, Safari, or anything. Okay, and just type here download Maven. Go to the very first link. This is from the Maven one. Okay, come to the scroll down, come to the link section. You have a file. See Apache Maven. This is the version number 3.8.7, and then bin tar gz. You just click on this link. Okay, open this, like once this is downloaded, open it, download it twice. Okay, copy this file. Now you see like we have already downloaded this file. Okay, now how can we install it? Put this file into some directory basically. Okay, so in my case what I have done, see I have a folder or directory called work in the desktop. Okay, and I have maintained a folder called softwares. Okay, so you see Apache Maven 3.8.7. I have put all the softwares here. Just a second. Yeah, if you do a right click on this and then go to the get info basically. Okay, so you'll be able to see the path, like where exactly this folder or directory is present. Okay, if you just copy it, how can we copy it in Mac? So you have to press command plus C. Okay, not control plus C but command plus C. If you do, see I press command plus C, and if you open maybe this, you see this has been copied. Okay, again this one and this. So command C and command V, basically these are the two keyboard shortcuts which we have to use. In Windows we have control C and control V, but here in Mac we have command C and command V. Okay, now how can you extract this downloaded file? Basically we downloaded this one, right? So how did we extract it? You just need to do the double click on it and the files will be extracted. Okay, now how can we set up an environment variable, the m2 path? Okay, so you have to follow these commands. Now open the terminal again. Let me just clear it. Go to the root directory. Okay, then we have a command called open space hyphen e space dot zshrc. Okay, so this editor has been opened. Now you see we have one variable called m2 underscore home and we are exporting it. Okay, and under this double quotes we have the same value which we copied. See, this was the value which we copied, right? So this is basically the location where your Apache Maven is present in your machine. Okay, and this is the folder name. Okay, now when we have set up this variable called m2 underscore home and export is done. Okay, make sure to add inside the path variable also. So how will you be able to set it? You see there is a dollar, then bracket start, then m2 underscore home. This is the name of the variable. Okay, then close it and then forward slash and bin. Okay, and make sure you have this colon icon in between Java and Maven. Okay, so this is basically like these are the two different paths which we are trying to set inside the Maven or inside the path variable. Okay, this one, first one is for the Maven and the second one is for the Java. Okay, so when you have done when you are done with this step, you just need to save the file. Click on the file, or maybe click on the save, or maybe you can save like command plus s as well. Close this, and then you have to source dot cshrc. Okay, so this is the thing. Now, how will you verify whether the setup has been done properly or not? Okay, let me just clear it. Echo dollar. So, what was the name of our variable? It was m2 underscore home, right? So, see, we're able to have the value. We're able to see this value here. Then, echo dollar path. Okay, you see, we added bin as a suffix to that value, right? To the value of that variable called m2 underscore home. So, this path is reflecting here. Okay, and finally what you have to do for knowing the Maven version, which version of Maven is your in your machine, so you can say mvn hyphen v, or mvn hyphen version will also work for you. Okay, so this is Apache Maven 3.8.7. Okay, so okay, that's all for this session. Thank you for your time. Have a very good day.